Welcome to the best picks. The best Ryobi One Plus is probably one of the most versatile and popular cordless tool systems on the market, offering a wide range of tools powered by the same 18V battery platform, making it incredibly convenient for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. This video will dive deep into what makes this system stand out and help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Number 5. Ryobi One Plus 18V Drill Driver P215BN. This is the Ryobi One Plus 18V drill driver, perfect for any DIY project. Its adjustable torque ensures you have the right power for every task. It features adjustable torque, so you can easily handle a variety of materials and applications. Get the perfect amount of power for any DIY job. Changing bits is a breeze with the convenient keyless chuck. It's quick and easy to switch between different drill bits. This drill is part of the Ryobi One Plus system, meaning it works with any 18V Ryobi One Plus battery. You can use it with your existing batteries, saving you money and time. With over 260 tools in the One Plus system, the possibilities are endless. Expand your workshop with tools that all use the same battery. This drill offers both power and versatility, making it an essential tool for any DIY enthusiast. It's the perfect addition to your tool collection. What we like. It has adjustable torque for various DIY tasks and a keyless chuck for quick bit changes. Its compatibility with over 260 other tools in the Ryobi One Plus system makes it incredibly versatile. If you need a reliable drill for many projects and want the flexibility of a large tool ecosystem, this is the one for you. What people say. This is a fantastic product for our business. We don't need anything heavy-duty. Or really using it for is dryer vents, and you don't want a super powerful drill for it because that can actually potentially damage the vents. The battery life is pretty good. Nice, lightweight, and ergonomic drill. Easy to change bits, and the LED light is a nice feature when working in dark places. Uses most Ryobi One Plus batteries and works well. I bought this to replace a roughly 15-year-old Ryobi One Plus drill that still worked, but whose chuck would no longer grip any drill bit small than 1/8. The old drill will now serve as a driver, since it has no trouble gripping a 1/4 hex screwdriver bit. In general, I found Ryobi drills to have plenty of torque and good battery life. I own a number of other Ryobi One Plus power tools and like them all. Number 4. Ryobi 18V One Plus Power Source. This powerful device is perfect for keeping your electronics charged on the go. It's great for laptops, tablets, and cell phones. Brand new in the box, it comes with everything you need to get started. Let's take a closer look at its features. It features a convenient LED light, making it easy to use even in low-light conditions. This is a helpful addition for nighttime use. It's ideal for powering a variety of small electronic devices. Keep your laptop, tablet, or phone charged wherever you are. Everything you need is included in the box. It's ready to use right out of the package. This device provides reliable power when you need it most. Take it with you on your next adventure. What we like. This power source is compact and has a built-in LED light, perfect for on-the-go work. It can charge your devices, keeping you powered up wherever you are. If you're often working remotely or need a portable power solution for your electronics, this is a great choice. What people say. Pretty handy for just about anything. Took it camping, also it when our power went out. The length of how long it runs depends on which battery you use, but with a 1.5Ah battery, charging my laptop brought it from 30% to 100% in an hour and stayed at 100 for about another hour. This was while I was playing Beaming Drive, which is a pretty power-hungry game for a laptop. It also powers an angle grinder, using the 4Ah, but it was a variable speed grinder, so starting from the lowest I got it up to level 810 before it shut off, so as long as your tool doesn't take a huge amount of power starting up, it'll work with most power tools. Living in Guam, we tend to have power issues a lot, plus the occasional typhoon comes through. When we lost power, which ended up being close to 11 days, we were able to keep our cell phones and tablets, iPads charged. My workplace had a generator for the building, so I was able to recharge the batteries there. The lights in operation were pretty straightforward once I realized when you initially turn it on, you had to hold the power button and wait for the inverter to power up. This inverter did everything I expected it to do. I've used it several times now and it's still working on its original charge. I plugged in a small lamp and it worked. My main reason for getting it was for camping. It kept my iPhone fully charged for the whole 4-day trip with power to spare. I also used it to charge my iPad and a rechargeable tent light on the same trip. It's small for its potential and works with all my Ryobi batteries. Number 3. Ryobi P18-1918V1 Plus Combo Kit. This kit is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. It's a versatile and powerful tool set ready to tackle any project. You get a drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, circular saw, multi-tool, and an LED work light. Everything you need to get started. It comes with both a 4.0 Ah and a 1.5 Ah battery, giving you extended runtime to complete even the most demanding jobs. A durable carrying bag keeps it all together, making transport and storage a breeze. It's always ready to go when you are. It's part of the One Plus system, meaning it's compatible with over 125 other Ryobi i18V tools. Expand your workshop as your needs grow. With this kit, you'll be prepared for any project. It's the ultimate combination of power, versatility, and convenience. What we like. This combo kit comes with 6 essential tools, 2 batteries, and a charger, everything you need to get started. It's perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. If you're looking for a complete and convenient set to tackle various tasks, this kit is ideal. What people say. The battery life is excellent for each tool. They are all lightweight but without that cheap feeling. These batteries last me all day. They all work well under moderate pressure, cutting 2x4s, pickets, screwing in and out screws. The driver is most impressive, real torque power they're driving in 3.5 screws. The battery life is quite long. I can finish whatever project I'm working on and then some without having to recharge. Number 2. Ryobi One Plus 18V Drill Driver PCL206B. This powerful drill is part of the Ryobi One Plus system, offering unmatched versatility. It's perfect for a wide range of DIY and professional tasks. It boasts a high-performance motor that delivers up to 515 inch-pounds of torque. You'll have the power to tackle even the toughest jobs with ease. With its 2-speed gearbox, it offers variable speeds from 0 to 450 rpm to 0 to 1750 rpm. This gives you precise control for various applications. The 24-position clutch provides superior control, preventing overdriving screws and ensuring a clean finish every time. It's designed for precision and accuracy. It features a convenient 1/2-inch keyless ratcheting chuck for quick bit changes. The onboard LED light illuminates your work area for enhanced visibility. This drill is part of the Ryobi One Plus 18V system, meaning it's compatible with over 280 cordless tools. Expand your workshop capabilities effortlessly. The package includes the drill and operator's manual. Remember, the battery and charger are sold separately. What we like. It boasts a powerful motor with high torque and a 2-speed gearbox for optimal control. The 24-position clutch provides precision for delicate work. If you need power and control for demanding projects, this drill is a top contender. What people say. Smaller than my older Ryobi cordless drill, although no compromise on functionality. Work light is an additional plus. I've used and abused my first Ryobi drill driver I bought 5 years ago. It still works as new. I replaced an old Craftsman portable drill and was very pleased with the amount of power and battery life that this drill provides. The 4Ah lithium-ion battery charges quickly and holds enough power to do a lot of work without being bulky. Nice chuck that is easy to use, and the drill has a ratcheting release that can be set to fine-tune the amount of torque delivered to the screw when doing jobs that you don't want to overdrive into softer material. It uses the same battery as all of the other One Plus tools and is a welcome addition to my tool set. Number 1. Ryobi RRTS 18-0A35 Multi-Tool. This cordless multi-tool gives you the power and precision you need for any project. Its variable speed and flexible shaft design make it easy to use. It features a variable speed of up to 34,000 rpm. This allows you to adjust the speed to match the task at hand for optimal performance. With its 36-inch flexible shaft and pen design, it offers ultimate precision and comfort, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. It comes with 33 accessories, giving you the versatility to tackle a wide range of applications. You'll be prepared for almost any job. Please note, this is a bare tool, battery and charger are sold separately. It's also shipped in a generic box for efficient delivery. What we like. This multi-tool features a variable speed setting and a flexible shaft for precision and comfort. It comes with 33 accessories, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. If you value precision, versatility, and a wide array of applications, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. Very useful for cutting nails off of drywall stud, for example, or for cutting notches into stripped screw heads. Versatile and easy to use. It has multiple speeds too. It is really versatile because you can use it on different materials. The variable speeds made this task a breeze. This tool is built well and being powered by the 18+ battery provides a lot of time to the job. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.